All right, what we need to do is take our Guajillo-Chiles and we're gonna be reconstituting them basically. I'm gonna heat my skillet up high and we're just gonna toast them for like 10 seconds on each side. And then I'm gonna cover them with water, bring that to a boil, and then put a lid on it and let them sit for about 30 minutes. And then we'll be making our marinade sauce.
Hello friends, I'm Kevin.
And I'm Amy.
Welcome to my channel, Chasing Fish for Life. And if you're new, thanks for watching. Tonight, we're gonna bring you another meal.
Guajillo fish tacos with a coleslaw topping. You get some water, so whenever these chilies are cooked, I'm gonna cover them so that they can soften up to be able to make our sauce. And I think I have my pan hot enough. We're just gonna kind of toast these for like 10 seconds on each side. Okay, this is coming to a boil, so we're gonna be turning off the fire and putting a lid on it to let them soften up. And got a little toasty on them, so that should add flavor for us. But we'll turn that off and it needs to sit for 30 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna prep our red cabbage for the slaw that goes on top of the fish tacos that we'll be making. You want to slice it kind of thin so that it fits in the taco easily. This direction I'm just going to kind of do a little bit rougher. And I think that's more than enough that we'll need. Okay, continue making the slaw. We're going to put in half of our cilantro. And one baby jalapeno that I have in my garden. They're very tiny, but I bet you they're very hot. And we're just going to mix that around. And the next thing that I need to do is make our dressing. I'm gonna put some of the dressing in with this, and the rest I'm gonna kind of drizzle on top the tacos whenever we make them. All right, now we're gonna make the dressing that's gonna go on the red cabbage slaw. And I'm gonna leave some out so that we can drizzle on top of the taco once you build your fish taco. So what we need to put in here is the other jalapeno that I chopped up real fine. The rest of the cilantro. We have 1/4 of a cup of lime juice. And it says a 1/2 teaspoon of honey, but we're just gonna eyeball it. That looks good. And then I need 2 heaping teaspoons of Greek yogurt and 2 heaping teaspoons of mayonnaise. There's 1, 2, 1, 2. A little to grow on. That all over me. little pinch of salt. And I'm going to give it a little taste. I think that's good. I'm going to add a little bit into our coleslaw that we chopped up, and then I'm going to leave some to drizzle on top of our tacos. Let's see how that does. We'll put this into the fridge to let it chill while we finish making our marinade for the fish and shrimp, if we were going to have that, but we're just having fish today. This is the marinade that will sit with the fish. All right, it's time to make the marinade for our fish. Today we're going to be using red snapper. You can also use shrimp with this if you would like, but we're just going to be doing red snapper today. I have my reconstituted Guajillo chilies that I cooked, roasted, toasted a little bit on the stove top, and then boiled them and let them sit. All right, in that goes 4 cloves of garlic. Use my lovely cheddar garlic. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we need cilantro. One teaspoon of cumin. Half a teaspoon of ginger. A half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Of a cup of lime juice. And let's see, I think 1/4 of a cup of olive oil. And we are going to blend this all together. We are going to pour this over the fish. And you marinate this for a couple of hours. Probably way more than we needed for the fish that we have, but When it's just two, I probably could have adjusted a little bit, but it'll be fine. Just make sure all the pieces get coated well. And put it in the fridge to marinate. We'll see you back whenever it's time to cook it. Okay, it's time to get this fish cooking. We're gonna heat up this skillet on probably medium-high heat. Melt the butter, and we're gonna put our marinated fish in there. And on this side, I am going to warm up our corn tortillas. All right, we're gonna put the fish in because I think our skillet's hot. Like I said, I think we might have more sauce than needed, but okay, over here I'm going to toast up some corn tortillas. Hopefully they don't get stuck. And we'll try to flip this fish here in a bit also. I know I'm hungry and this smells wonderful. All right, I'm going to take these off and flip our fish here a little bit. I like to see that browning I got going on there. A little more corn tortillas. One thing you really want to see is the browning here. That's what will give you flavor for your fish tacos. You're getting real close. Fish doesn't take long to cook.
I'm Kevin, Chasing Fish for Life, and this is a cooking video we're doing on our YouTube channel, and so we hope you enjoy it if you're new, and if not, if you'd like to subscribe, we hope to bring you some more fishing and cooking videos. We hope to be back on the water next week, and this is one that we're doing tonight, and it looks pretty good.
Guajillo-Chile seafood tacos with red cabbage slaw. All right, I'm excited to have these tacos. Got some corn tortillas that I cooked up.
Looks good. Little fish nuggets.
You can serve this with avocado. Avocado.
A little bit of cabbage.
The coleslaw.
Coleslaw, is that what it is?
Yes. I've left some of the dressing off the slaw. I don't want to put that in there yet. To drizzle on top. I think we're going to need pictures of this. little bit of cheese. Did you get a good picture?
I think you can. Let's see what it tastes like.
My mouth is watering. I left a fork somewhere.
A little bit of spice. It's good.
It said you could put salsa on there.
I think the fish was supposed to marinate for 2 hours.
Yes, we marinated the fish for 2 hours. Said you could put salsa on there, but I think with the spice of those Guajillo chilies and the jalapenos that I used, I'm a wimp when it comes to heat. It's plenty spicy for me, but very delicious, very tasty. I think we're gonna have to add this to our list.
It's good. It's got a little heat to it. I can taste it.
Here's to another successful meal.
Yep.
Let's go catch some more.
Yep. I'm ready. Maybe
Thank you for watching.
Maybe we'll have a fishing video next week. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Hope you enjoyed it. And we'll see you soon.